very busy HTC table at Gadget New York City 2011. I'm Mark Gutierrez with OnLive Portal, and joining me is
Keith Nowak from HTC.
What do we have here?
So this is one of our newest phones. This is the Sensation 4G. It's available on T-Mobile. What's really cool about this device, there's a few things that's cool about it. What I like, it's got the newest version of Sense. So where you really see that is when I open this up. What I can do is that on the lock screen, right from there, I can go in, let's say I want to take a picture. I can take the camera icon, drag it into the circle, opens right to the camera. I don't have to do any rigmarole or going around to try to open up, go into menus, open right to what I want. Now, from a hardware perspective, a couple things are really cool. The screen is a QHD display, and it's a 16:9 aspect ratio, like a regular HD TV.
So it's pretty much designed for watching movies.
Designed for watching movies, but also that aspect ratio allows this to be a 4.3-inch screen, but it's a little narrower than most, so it feels really good in the hand. And what really helps with that, it's got this aluminum unibody design that feels good, and also a concave screen. So it feels really good when you're actually working out it. You get kind of like a warning track that says, all right, you're getting towards the edge, so you know it. But also what's nice about it is that when I put it down on a table, it doesn't scratch, because it's a little concave. It's really nice. So beyond that, though, again, it works on T-Mobile's 4G HSPA Plus network, really fast data speeds, works as a hotspot, all that good stuff. So at the end of the day, just everything you want in a really sexy little phone, which I really like.
It really looks incredible. So it's really, what kind of hardware are we looking at inside here?
So inside you actually are running a dual-core processor. So it's a 1.2 gigahertz dual-core Snapdragon. So it really does. You feel the difference when you're doing things and when you're going through your menus. You get spinning around like that. So it's really fast, really smooth.
You could flick it and it keeps up like nothing.
Yeah. So this is the new HTC Flyer. It's our first tablet. What's really cool is you've got that similar Sense experience that I showed you on the phone with this great 7-inch display. One thing that's really unique about it is this. It's an optional pen. So it's not a stylus. You don't even need it to use it, but it adds some cool things to the phone. So for example, I can go to my notes. I can open a new note up, and there's my book. I can write some notes on here, my name on here, take notes. I can then if I just touch it, it's going to bring a keyboard up so I can type things. If I want to, there are other cool things. So I'm taking notes, and I want to have a picture in there. So I can actually open the camera up, take a picture, say done, and now the picture's in my notes. I can scribble on it, say whatever I want to put on here. And then the cool thing is, as I'm doing this, it's all getting synced up to my Evernote account. So I go back to my desk, it's already saved on the cloud, and I can look at my notes. I can even record our conversation, and it'll timestamp when I did different things.
So wait a minute, we're syncing this on a cloud. That means I can actually share these notes too?
Sure, you can share them. My favorite thing, though, is I don't know about you, when I take notes, I lose my notebooks, I leave things all over the place. This way, it's all saved in one place in the cloud. Something else that's really cool also, if you're a reader, you open the ebook application, go to a page, I can scribble on it, I can open this little application up, I can go to the highlighter, I can highlight passages in the book, and it saves all that within that ebook.
So that actually also makes it interesting if I'm studying something like a book that I'm reading.
Exactly. So really cool things. Even that, one other thing that's kind of cool is that any screen on the device, I can capture it just by touching it. And then I can scribble again. Can scribble on all of it. Do that, and then I can share it and send it from there. So a web page, something on here, a document, I can mark it up and send it off by using the pen, which is kind of neat.
It's very neat.